Hello, everyone. As many of you know already, this new feature from Twitter will help you find out in which country someone is tweeting from. Okay? This new feature have helped a lot of us to find where is those people that are uh, tweeting hate tweet, who are tweeting Islamophobic stuff, who are tweeting racist stuff, xenophobic stuff, where they are staying in. Okay. And then the most ridiculous thing we all found in the last 3 days is that most people that pretending to be European, pretending to be Israelis, pretending to be Jewish or whatever, pretending to be Trump supporter, they are all in India. All of them, they are in India. Most of them are in India and Nigeria. Or some people they try to be someone who they are not. Most of those accounts are used by Nigerian and Indian. Take an example. This guy, he says in London. But if you check here, if you wanna see where is this guy tweeting from, you click on those three dots and you come about this account. You can see this guy, he's in India. He changed his account 5 times. You can see he's in India. But here he says he's in London. So he tried to make himself look like he is a white. But this guy is an Indian. Okay? Let's take another account here. This one also trying to look like he's in Europe. You see? He says he's a white person, but he's in India. I don't understand. And there's a lot of people. This guy, he's a Nigerian. He was using this account. He's calling it Ivanka News. He was having 1 million followers. 1 million followers. And now Twitter have decided even to suspend his account. Let's see. You see, those are his tweets. He's in Nigeria. You see, all those fake accounts you can see here, they are all in Nigeria. See, Nigeria. And this guy he says in the US, but he's in Burkina Faso. You see, this is how they do. This feature now is helping a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.